Welcome back to the Charismatic Voice. Today we are returning to childhood delights in the form of the mighty Morphin Power Rangers. They were superheroes of little Elizabeth, especially the pink one, and they wore spandex, kind of like Wolverine. And Punk Rock Factory are modern day superheroes who rocked my world at Bloodstock last August. Their fun energy, their harmonies, and their ability to put together a live show at the last minute make them, in my opinion, one of the up-and-coming bands to watch. So, let's get to it. This is one of the things that I remember hearing them and just thinking, wow, that's awesome. The way that they have with Peach's main line. He's got grit and power behind it and just a lot of sustaining power. So that's Peach, our main vocalist there that's in the front. You're seeing a bunch of pictures of him. Benj is backing him up with a really high harmony. I like the way that a lot of their harmonies are very parallel. They're almost blocky at times. It makes them feel more powerful to me. And again, very impressive endurance. Like this ability to just keep going with this sound. It really feels like power metal in the way you have these soaring melodies and harmonies along with it. Let's talk about the other band members too. Here we go. This is Cop, and I think he sometimes sings backing vocal too, but obviously primarily drums. And then, that's Ryan. So those are the 4 band members. They're really awesome guys. I met them. They're really, really cool. Let's go back to the beginning and listen one more time. Ooh, that's live!
They've got a power and a force that you've never seen before. They've got the ability to morph into even another score.
Ooh, like that extra.
No one can ever take them down. The power lies on their side.
If you have watched this channel for very long, you know what is about to come up. Diphthongs! This was such a great example of amazing play with a diphthong. Okay, diphthongs are when you take one vowel sound and you crunch 2 vowels into it, essentially. So, here they're going ya, 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 and those are the 2 vowel sounds that would normally be crunched into one sound, but because they're smart and they have fun playing with vowels, they're going back and forth between them. I just love it. It's so lovely and overdone and draws so much attention to how awesome it is to sing with diphthongs. I love it. Side, ya, 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 ya. It's great. So again, side, right? We think of that often as just one sound, but I is actually the 2 vowels. So they're going, ya, ya, ya. Oh, it's so cool. Oh, there's some other things that are really cool that I want to go back to and see if we can catch again. That was one of them. I like the way they've coordinated going very quickly to the end on one, and they're singing with lots of energy through that end. And that was very nicely coordinated between both Benj and Peach. I love how iconic this phrase has become. Go, go, Power Rangers, right? Like, I didn't even watch them that much. I watched them for a few years as a kid. I really loved them. But that phrase has lived on for so long. Go, go, Power Rangers. Everybody seems to know it. At least everybody that I talk to. Maybe that's aging myself. Oh, goodness, my goodness, my goodness. But it's so cool. Like this song, and specifically Go, Go, Power Rangers, I can't even say that without having the rhythm stuck in my head. Go, go, Power Rangers, right? It's got some syncopation in there. It's a really catchy rhythm. This was by Ron Wasserman, by the way, though I think he sang it underneath the name of Aaron Waters, ? So shout out to him for creating something that is so catchy that I feel that every single adult, at least in my generation, knows Go, go, Power Rangers with that specific rhythm. It's so cool. Okay, one more time. Go back.
Go, go, Power Rangers! Go, go, Power Rangers! Your mighty Morphin Power Rangers!
I like the rock version of this too.
They know the fate of the world is lying in.
I want to go back. I really like Cobb's fill here, the way it takes what is sort of a lull in the energy of the music, and then he ramps it back up into the second verse with his drum fill. Yeah, that's also, it's amping up also in the instruments as they're doing, it sounds like mostly chromatic skills up. Yeah. That's cool. Ooh, yeah. Ooh. You just have so much fun. I love it. Again, the fill here is really, really cool. And I noticed that earlier too. I like the way that they're making use of silence. So I definitely get moments where my ears have a break so that they're appreciating a rebound into lots and lots of sound.
They know the fate of the world is lying in their hands.
That's good.
To only use their weapons for defense.
Dude.
No one will ever take them down. The power lies on their side.
Thank you so much, guys, for having fun with that diphthong one more time, because it deserves being heard again. I just love it. It makes me very happy. I have to say, the harmonies, when I heard them live, were super solid as well. They've got great pitch. They're really able to maintain that and able to slice through massive amounts of sounds with their voices. It's great. Okay, you know what? We're going to go back just a little bit so we can hear that diphthong fun one more time.
Will ever take them down. The power lies on their side. Go, go, Power Rangers! Go, go, Power Rangers! Go, go, Power Rangers! You mighty Morphin Power Rangers!
Ooh, we're going to go back and catch this whole solo in just a bit. We just need to shout out again. Also, it's pretty cool that they are playing instruments and singing at the same time. Sometimes that can really throw people off, but if you use your instrument in the right way and you sort of, especially if it's guitar or bass, you can kind of brace it against you. Or if you're in a piano, if you lean into that piano a little bit more, you can use that instrument to help your body support your singing better. And I think that both of these guys are doing a really great job of playing the instrument and having it be supportive of singing instead of having it detract from singing. It's a very important skill to learn. Okay, let's go into an instrument solo, ? like this. I think that I want to say that these guys are doing almost all of their own work, if not all of it, as far as recording, producing. They're specializing in making digital content in particular. I think that was partly as a result of COVID things too, but they just are, they've really created, I think, a fun recording atmosphere for us. I believe that this is at the Sausage Factory. I think that's the name of their recording space. I will double check that. And I like the flashing of lights that we have happening, right? Really clean video pictures as well. They've done a really great job with the filming here. But I have to say, I'm a little disappointed that we're seeing flashes of green, because we have blue flashes and we have red flashes and there were pink flashes. And there's obviously lots of background to white question mark, but there wasn't a green Power Ranger. There was a yellow Power Ranger. The white one came afterwards. And so I really, really wish, even though it probably wouldn't look as cool, I wish that the green flash was yellow. That's all. That they're doing such an amazing job. Like, this is just them. This is incredible. Yeah, very, very impressive. Okay, yeah, go Ryan. We just look at Peach's face here. He's so intensely into it. There's so much fun live.
Go, go, Power Rangers! Go, go, Power Rangers! Go, go, Power Rangers! You mighty Morphin Power Rangers! Go, go, Power Rangers!
Oh, nice. I love that he's caught switch up the groove here.
You mighty Morphin Power Rangers!
Like before we had a lot more small beats, and then it almost went to like a halftime kind of feel.
Morphin Power Rangers! Go, go, Power Rangers!
Awesome.
Go, go, Power Rangers!
That was so much fun.
Go, go, Power Rangers!
Great last note. We're going to go back for that last note. Ooh, I like the way they extended it. Yeah, they're like, oh, yeah, lots of hard, long, powerful singing, high singing, especially for bench. Not a big deal. Not a big deal. We can just hold this note out even longer. It was a great way to end the song.
Go, go, Power Rangers! Go, go, Power Rangers!
Yeah! Awesome. They are so much fun. I love how their awesome energy was just pouring out throughout this music video. It was like that live too. It's just like, whoa, where did these guys come from, And I love that they're fantastic musicians and vocalists. I really dig the soaring melody and harmonies with it. Very, very good, and lots of fun with details too. Man, I'm really excited to see where they go. It was incredible to get to interview them. I sat down with Benj and Peach before their first live show ever and asked them what it was like to receive that last minute call and how they prepared. It was so cool. So if you want to check that out, it's in this Bloodstock interview over here. I got to sit down with a bunch of artists there and really get some fun behind the scenes footage. So I hope to see you over there soon.